vulture, baby. Yeah, I know you been like that. Got it like a holster, baby. Show them say you're wicked like that. We live where the war is raging, chasing our crazy dreams.
Hello guys, Tala Falava. My name is Salih. I am the president for Busa 2017. My vision for Sultana 2017 is to ensure that our students, our Samoan students around New Zealand are able to maintain and sustain who they are, their language, but also our rituals as diaspora people. That's a good question. It takes about 5 minutes to dry my hair, but it takes probably another 2 minutes to position each hair into its correct position. Wow, you are so interesting. So in my spare time, I like to go to the gym, but also I like to be surrounded by music, which relaxes me. Sometimes I just go find a nice romantic park just to sit down and spread my ear level and do my own little picnic on it. But you know, it's just play my brother at night by myself. Yeah, that's my Sultana 2017. Let's go!
Hey, I'm Moy. I'm the Vice President for Busa 2017. My go-to karaoke song is Fire. If I could be any superhero in this whole wide world, I would go Sultana 2017, let's go!
Hi, my name's Tolo Alaimana. I am the Busa Treasurer for 2017. Something interesting about me is I like yoga and ice cream and walking on the beach. Cool. Sultana 2017, let's go! Tolo Falava, I'm currently the Civil Tapa and I am the Vice Treasurer for Busa 2017. A random fact about me is that I like to watch people eat on YouTube. It does have a term and it's good for fun. A celebrity that would play me in a movie would be my gal, Selena Gomez. Like, since we both have the gas here. Show us Sultana 2017, let's go!
Hi everyone, my name is Waifuna Ua, or you can call me Puna, and I am the Secretary for Busa 2017. My hobbies are sports, music, and I also love to dance. Not professionally, but I like to dance. I can dance, I can do the work. And my hidden talents are I like to play the piano and no one really knows about it, so I guess that's hidden talents. So 2017, let's go!
Hi guys, my name is May and I'm the Vice Secretary for Busa 2017. Something about myself is that I was born and bred up here in Wellington, then I moved to Samoa 5 years, came back, stayed here for 7 years, and then on my first year in uni, my mum and dad moved to Auckland, so I'm here.
Fine, so you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But I want to tell you one thing. Sultana is gonna be lit. Sultana 2017. Let's go!